Hey everyone! Today, we'll be showing you a quick and easy tutorial on how to reset the CMOS on your Windows computer in just a minute. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your computer is completely powered off. After shutting down your computer, make sure to unplug its power cord from the power outlet. Now, locate the CMOS battery on your motherboard. It's a small, coin-shaped battery. For this procedure, you will need to open your desktop computer. Once you've found it, carefully remove the battery. It's usually held in place by a clip or a small latch. Now here comes the important part. Wait for at least 5 minutes. This gives the CMOS memory enough time to reset. After the waiting period, reinsert the CMOS battery back into its slot. Make sure it's securely in place. And that's it. You've successfully reset the CMOS on your Windows system. Now, power up your computer and you should be good to go.